I'm James, and this is my dad. Hi, this is my dad. I'm James, and this is my dad, David. This is my dad.
Hello, my name is David. This is my son, James, and we are going to make thick and chewy chocolate chip cookies today.
First, you will need 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of flour. Then you will need 1/2 of teaspoons of baking soda. Then you will need 1/2 teaspoons of table salt. Then you'll need 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted. And then 1 cup dark brown sugar. Then 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. And then 1 egg, 1 egg yolk. And then 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Then 2 cups of chocolate chips. And you got your thick and chewy chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, good job. This might be melted enough.
It smells really good.
There's nothing tastes better than butter. There you go. Magic of editing. Good job.
I finally did it.
Pack it in there. You shove as much as you can in there.
Shove it.
So good. Yeah, exactly. So that is how much? 1 whole cup. So now we need to do what? What do we need to do?
You gotta whisk it. We're gonna whisk the flour.
Yeah, we're gonna whisk the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. So we have flour,
Here
and then we
go.
have baking soda, and then we have salt. Goodness gracious.
Salt is sticky.
It is. Let's go ahead and whisk that up. Trying not to spill.
You want to get the sides too.
Okay. Excellent technique. That's great. Let me get in there and check it out. Beautiful. You ever put your fingers in there?
Nope, or I'll rip them off.
That's right.
As a warning to everybody.
Right, and once it's dissolved, we can up the speed a little bit. get out of the pot. You probably should have written some jokes for this. Like,
I'll do some jokes.
I bet you could do some jokes. Oh, where are you going?
I'm going to get the joke book.
Oh, he's getting a joke book. Okay.
I'm going to go get it.
Or okay. I thought this had this messed up.
What does it mean if you find a horseshoe? Some poor horse is walking around in his socks.
Okay, so you'll preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Take out your loaf pans. Nice and slowly.
It'll start to look like corn. Wait, I think it's chocolate chip stuff. I'm gonna eat it.
There you go.
Your chocolate chip is so good.
So now we take a 1/4 cup measuring spoon. And then that can be yours. Okay. So you roll it into a ball, then you gently tear it apart, and then stick them back together. There we go. Beautiful. So if your dough is a little bit too wet, you can put it in the refrigerator to cool it down. These cookies are going to be thick.
I love baked cookies.
What's the best part of making these cookies?
The best part of making the cookies is that you can actually feel the chocolate chips in there. So I feel like there's like
You like that feeling?
I like that feeling of something that's in there besides dough.
If you want the cookies to go further, you can make half portions instead of sticking them back together. You can just rip them apart and go from there.
Then you can make more.
They go a little bit further if you do that. Okay.
I'm going to put them into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. And you can easily set a timer. And you do not want to burn your hands.
Correct. Okay. Oh, Alexa's in the garage. Letting them cool on the pan gives them a crisp bottom, so for nice texture.
Bye. Thanks for watching.